But this thing is butter. It just sticks to the wall.
Is there alcohol in your pizza, sir?
You...
Oh yeah, chicken butt. I gotta learn how to use rollers. Oh no! You aimed for it. I saw it turn into it.
Alright. Oh my god, I just ripped it. You want some glue?
I got it. Wow.
I'm just happy it's just...
I've fallen victim of the Winston strategy. Yeah.
Hey, I'm just stress testing your 3D print.
Oh yeah. Holy smokes. It will make it back and it will defeat you, Winston.
Oh, the chassis still works.
Yeah, actually. Alright, I'm gonna switch over
That's the
to...
important part.
Yeah.
I mean, look at it starting though.
That's all right.
Not even 10 minutes.
See, like for a person to rebuy a Mini Z, how much is a white Mini Z body right now?
30.
That much?
At least 30.
I thought it was like 20. Well, this is one night and about 50 cents worth of material. So, yeah.
You should print many and bring spare.
Yeah, I should.
So you see what they do, right? They just bring the spares of everything.
Yeah. Well, especially if I'm going to be racing in the same category as you, I should definitely stock up on bodies and body bags.
Body bags?
I'm pretty sure at some point you're going to run me over. And I'm going to need to be replaced.